Hello everyone, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. On my channel today, I'm going to do a collab called All White Affair, hosted by 5 talented ladies. Diva Decorating, Stephanie, Lynn with Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Tammy with Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Alberta with Mysterious Alberta, and Cynthia Shesobless. I would like to thank these ladies for the open invitation. The rules were to decorate a table in all white, like a wedding reception, for example, and think outside the box. So when you finish watching my video, please go over and show these ladies some love on their channels. I hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and click the bell so you will know when I upload all my spring videos. And again, thank you for watching. if you see my Valentine video, you've seen these white roses. I just thought I'd repurpose them again. I just searched my home for all the items. I DIY'd the chargers and the glasses, the champagne glasses. And my tablecloth is 3 separate tablecloths. That was my thinking outside the box, with the roses on the end of the table and the tablecloth going to the floor like a wedding dress. And I hope you enjoyed my video. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And don't forget to go over and view all the other ladies' channels. I will link them down in the description. And thank you again. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.